In this Python OpenAI tutorial, we will make an application that fixes grammatical errors. First, we will send the sentences containing grammatical errors to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will correct the errors in the sentences and send them back to the application. In the video, I will show step by step how to do the application. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I transfer the OpenAI library. You can transfer the library using this code. I transferred the library. Now I import the library. I am creating a variable. I will send the API key that I will create shortly to the function. You can create an API key from this website. I added the link of the site to the description section of the video. After registering to the site, you can create an API key. I go to the API Keys tab. I click on the Create button. I enter a name. I click on the Create button. I created the API key. I'm copying. I'm creating an infinite while loop. I create a variable and ask the user to enter a sentence. I am creating a variable. I synchronize this variable with the create function. I will use GPT 3.5 Turbo as the model. I will send two types of messages. The first message will be the action requested from the artificial intelligence. I will ask him to correct the sentences containing incorrect grammar. Secondly, I send the sentence entered by the user as content. I will show the sentence returned by artificial intelligence on the screen with print. I can do this using content and strip functions. Let's test the application. I need a sentence with incorrect grammar. Using ChatGPT, we can produce 3 sentences containing incorrect grammar. I can use these sentences as input. I am submitting a sentence with incorrect grammar. The incorrect sentence was corrected by OpenAI. We can make a few tries. The application works as I want. Let's do a different example. You may have a text file containing grammatically incorrect sentences. Let's make an application that fixes these errors. I am creating a text file. I save the incorrect sentences produced with ChatGPT to a text file. I am creating a variable. I open the text file for reading. I'm creating a for loop. I can delete the while and input variable. Notice that the following code snippet is inside the for loop. Using this method, I can send the sentences in the text file to ChatGPT one by one. I'm testing the app. 3 sentences containing incorrect grammar were sent to ChatGPT. All sentences were corrected one by one. In this application, we learned how to correct sentences containing incorrect grammar using Python and the OpenAI library. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.